Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Scorpios, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Scorpios, if you want more clarity in your situation, guys, I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So that will follow this reading. So let's start with these cards. We have Six of Swords, Five of Wands, and Six of Wands. So, in your situation, guys, Scorpios, you are facing lot of obstacles. You are working hard, putting lot of efforts, doing your best, using all your skills and talents. So, it may be a situation in your career or it may be a situation in your personal life. And you are reaching success, guys. You are inching towards success and things are going in a very positive way. All your efforts and all your dreams and whatever you wish for, it is all going to come towards you at the right time, guys. And you are inching towards success. You are seeing some beginning of that success in a few paths. Maybe in your career you are seeing the projects or whatever work you do, it is coming towards you and you are seeing some good changes and you have hope in your future and you're confident of the way things are going and people have confidence in you, guys. And you are someone who is a hard worker and you inspire people around you and people see you as someone reliable. And it may be in your career situation or it may be in your personal life situation. So you are someone who is trustworthy, loyal, and dedicated. Maybe you are dedicated to this person you love and you want to make this relationship work and you're doing everything in your what to say trying your best to do everything to build that beautiful relationship with this person you love. So this person feels that you are someone who is trustworthy and loyal. And maybe for some of you, if you both are in some kind of a long distance relationship, you are getting a messenger maybe from this person. It may be your common friend or it may be their family member. They are coming towards you with some positive message and they are telling you something which is going to make you even more happier, guys, today, Scorpios. So some positive message is also reaching you today, guys, and all your difficulties are going to come to an end, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are also moving to a different place. Maybe there is a travel plan, maybe taking a holiday with this person you love, or some kind of a plan has come up. So some positive news or something positive is happening in your situation today, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have the Fool. So in your relationship today, guys, maybe you are rushing towards something. You like something. You have made up your mind and you're simply rushing towards that. Maybe you are in you feel a great attraction towards this person and you love them a lot and their love is something like an addiction for you, and you are simply rushing towards them without thinking, guys, without thinking what is your future, or what is the right thing to do today, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card, guys, it just means that in your career situation, guys, you need to be careful. You should not trust everyone, because no one is hardworking or talented like you. So you have to make important decisions for yourself in your career situation, guys, and not rely on anyone. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. If you want more clarity, Scorpio, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading I have right now, guys, coming up. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Or you can think about these crystals and meditate. Maybe you may have some questions or doubts. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card. This is a crystal for y'all, and the card is Blood Angel. So these are Rumi cards, guys. These cards are based on poet Rumi's poetry. So this card just means that this oracle card, it comes with a special message, guys. So today you are given the gift of more life. So to experience this growth or that energy in your life, you need to understand that to have that essence, to live that essence, you are maybe you need to face some unavoidable situations, guys, experiences. So there may be lot of painful experience you may go through in life, because life is all about balance. When you are opening yourself to receive more, you need to understand that you need to empty whatever you have in you, guys. Maybe your past, whatever hurt you feel or you would have felt, you should empty all that. And it is an exchange that is happening in your situation, guys, compensating for what is coming to you. So maybe there will be a great loss you suffer, emotional or psychological changes you may see, and you are going to release all that, whatever you have, to receive whatever is coming towards you, guys. And maybe for some of you, that darkness of grief or maybe some hurtful feelings that you have, all that is going to clear up in the coming days, guys, or maybe very soon. So you need to be ready to endure the sadness or stress or grief in order to enjoy the beautiful things that are coming towards you, guys. And this card also comes with a special blessing of well-being and vitality in your life, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is the second crystal and this is the second card. So the card is Rapunzel, liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you are what to say, trying to isolate yourself. You are trying to block people from your life. You don't want anyone near you. You are trying to be alone, shunning people, maybe friends or family, whoever it is, and you are trying to protect yourself from them, and you have become what to say, someone who is not easily to be accessed. So you have some past hurting you, maybe some heavy thoughts, some negative emotions. Maybe it is time you liberate yourself from this isolation, guys. And maybe you're escaping from facing your world, maybe the outside situation, your friends or family, or this person. Someone is coming interested in you. You are not ready to face them. You are escaping from every situation because of some negative thoughts or some heaviness in your heart. Maybe it is time for you to give up these negative thoughts or all the attachments that you have. And maybe the wait is over, guys. Maybe you spent too much time alone. That time is over now, and you need to see life with a different perspective, and you need to free yourself from your heavy thoughts. You are the one who can free yourself from this situation, guys. No one can help you other than you yourself. So you have to come out of this isolation, some kind of separation you are experiencing today. You are the reason for that, but because you are not ready to face the outside world. So you need to have that courage in your heart and come out of your situation and release yourself from your past. Maybe your past has hurt you a lot. You need to release yourself of all those negative emotions that you have within you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.